Breaking news coming in, ladies and gentlemen. India's GDP grew 6.5% in 2024-25. The GDP growth rate is as per expectations. This is, remember, the GDP growth in FY25, which is lower than FY24. Let me quickly go across to my colleague Hina, who's joining us with more on this. Hina, what more do you have? Get us more details.
Well, Shreya, we can tell you that the GDP numbers that we have got today, they are pretty much in line with expectations. For the full year FY25, the expectation was 6.5%. That is what we have got for 2024-2025. Apart from that, if you look at the quarterly GDP data for the last quarter of the last financial year, that is January to March quarter, it has come in at 7.4% as compared to 8.4% last quarter, same quarter last year. So if you compare it on a quarterly basis, it is definitely looking slightly lower, but the expectation was around 6.8 odd percent. So that is why we are saying the numbers have been as per the expectations. Some green shoots are also visible. Let me tell you about January to March agricultural sector growth. The number is at 5.4%, which is good as compared to 0.9% same quarter last year. Mining sector growth has also seen some movement upwards. Manufacturing, in fact, has seen a bit of a slowdown in the January to March quarter at 4.8%. So there are definitely some green shoots here, and overall things look in line with expectations.
Absolutely, Hina. Thanks very much for joining us at the moment. Like Hina said, some sectors seeing growth, some of course being stable, if not entirely rising, entirely seeing some sort of growth. But we'll keep getting you more details of how the GDP is faring and how the Indian economy is faring. But right now, it's time for a short break. News and updates continue on the other side.